we've got James Franklin and Sean Fitzpatrick. Representing South Africa, Jack Palace and Stephen Pienaar. Here we go, representing India, it's Anil Kumble and Farhan Akhtar. And finally, but no means least, representing the home team England, it's the Big Show, Kevin Peterson and Mohamed Shoes. Before we start, who is your favourite place to play cricket?
Well, Barry, I'm going to have to say, since I'm Indian, I probably say the gullies of India, or maybe the beaches.
In preparation for playing
I think my favourite place in the whole ground, though, Trafford.
I need the backs.
Definitely got to be right here.
I need the round.
Absolutely everywhere. That's the beauty of it.
Yeah, there are 500 million people showing a passion for playing the game across the globe, and we're celebrating this on the eve of what will be the greatest cricket World Cup ever. Take a look. This is what we call Creole.
Get involved in Creole. Right, over to you, Freddie, for the rules of the game.
Thank you. So, 10 players representing the 10 competing nations. They end up with a cricketing legend and a cricket celebrity from the home nation. You still with me? Each team faces as many balls as they can from our crack team of future star bowlers and fielders from the